Hi guys! We're gonna paint today. This is gonna be my first tutorial. I'm gonna set up the table and pick the colors we would like to work with today. Dit is... Okay. We're gonna mix some paints. I'll show you how I'm doing that. I get a lot of questions what I use, if I use Pthtalo or silicone. No, I only use acrylics and mostly I use the brand Amsterdam, also always for white. For the colors I use Winsor Newton Galleria. One of my favorites is Pthtalo blue, and it looks blue but it becomes turquoise mixed with white. I'm using tapas prickers. They're normally for food. This is going slow, right? Alright. You like that sound? I like it a lot. So I got like a quarter, no, maybe 1/5 in the cup. And I pour just a few drops of water in there. So just a little bit of water. Stir very well. It becomes very thick again. So the main thing is to put in just a little bit of water every time till the paint is smooth and solid without any lumps in it. And I don't measure the water with the paint because you can see the substance yourself, and also every brand is different and every color as well because of the pigments who are in it. Also this color blue is the Winsor blue and it looks very bright, but when it dries it becomes very dark blue. I like that a lot. Gives a lot of contrast in your paintings. You see, this is the best substance when it doesn't drip but just pours. You see how it glides off the stick? For me that's the substance I want. And just acrylics with water. No additives, no silicone, no Pthtalo, it's not needed at all. In my opinion. But maybe I'll try in the next video some Pthtalo because I used it only once. I'm really curious what you guys think about the difference between using only water in acrylics and acrylics with Pthtalo, and maybe edit some water. Alright. So let's make all the paints. I think I'm gonna make around 10 colors, so I got a lot of colors to choose from. And also I prepare the canvas before I start painting. I always tape off the back of the canvas so the back stays pretty. I can show an example. This is one of the paintings I made with the taped canvas, and you see the back? Very clean and pretty. I use pinpoints. You can put them in each corner and then it stands up from the table. So this is the way the back always looks when I start working. And then I can see if it's leveled. No, it's not leveled. So we put in this a bit more in the pinpoint. Alright, and ready to go. This is the best moment of the day because all my paints are pre-mixed. I got my tools. This really is my best friend, the blowdryer. I got my torch, my chef's torch, the gas for the torch, and of course my prepared canvas. The first thing I always do is pour white all over the canvas. Just spread it out, you can tilt it. I always make sure my sides are fully covered. I take my torch, let the bubbles pop. For this canvas I think I'm gonna use ocean colors because these are my favorite. This is Pthtalo blue from Winsor Newton. Just so. And Winsor blue. I'm just pouring a puddle with the colors I love. This is turquoise. Yeah. And maybe a little bit Van Dyke brown for the contrast. And of course some gold. And the gold is always a bit thicker, the paint, because I don't want it to get mixed very well into the blues. It's starting to get green then, and I don't like that at all. Okay, what I do then is pour a round of white, torch it again. You see the cells are popping up already. And then my best friend is coming in. I pour over the, you see, I pour over the white over the colors. Here, see the cells already? And then like this. Okay, I'm not really liking this composition, so I'm gonna take a look at it, what I can change. First, let's torch some. I really like this part. And here, what I'm gonna do is smooth it a bit. This must be white for me, and I think here must be white as well. So I just gonna pour this a bit off. Yeah, this is something I like. And we work always on the sides, just to get them as clean as possible. You see this? It's the damage of 3 paintings. Not so bad, right? I'm very happy you're watching. These are one of my first videos, and I would really like to know what you think of it. Let me know in comments. If you like it, please subscribe and put on the bell. Okay guys, thank you.